Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'm going to show you how to enable object eraser in Redmi 14c device. So guys, as you know that we don't have any proper option of object eraser in Redmi 14c like our Samsung Galaxy devices, but we have a trick and we're going to use a Google Photos for this option. So first of all guys, you have to go to Google Photos. Okay, so in this section you have all the photos of your gallery. So just scroll down and just select any photo. I am selecting this one. Okay, so as you guys see, this is a clip on my desk. So I want to erase this. Just tap on edit, and here we have an icon of a image AI. So just tap here. Now circle, brush or tap to select. So I want to erase this. Okay, so I am erasing it. Now after pointing out the object, just click on erase. Okay, and as you guys see, the clip is now removed. Let's check the before and after here. So this one is a clip, and after the erasing, the clip is disappeared completely. And guys, this is very accurate result by the way. So this is how we can erase the object in Redmi 14c device. That's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.